Although there has been a slight decrease in the cases of sexually transmitted infections from 110,000 in 22-23 to more than 93,000 this past financial year, we believe these numbers are still alarmingly high. We are particularly concerned about the rising trend of male urethritis syndrome, which consistently exceeds the threshold of 30 per 100,000 population. This is likely due to sexual partners of index clients not seeking treatment. The prevalence of syphilis also remains a cause for concern, as we have seen its increased prevalence rate among women who present at our healthcare facilities. We wish to emphasize that abstinence is still a valid choice until one is ready for responsible sexual activity. This means utilizing condoms correctly and consistently, regular STI testing for both partners, and practicing safer conceptions. We strongly encourage faithfulness. We strongly encourage faithfulness, which also plays a crucial role in preventing STIs like cervical cancer, syphilis, and HIV. Ayipheli indaba yobusoka. Sikhuluma ngabasifazane nangabesilisa, ubusoka is out of fashion.